Happy Sunday, everyone. Today at Carpenter Realtors, we are featuring our virtual open house spectacular. I am really excited to share with you this touch of charm near Butler University. So sit back in the safety and comfort of your home and enjoy this tour. This home is located at 4219 Clarendon Road. It is so hard to believe you can own a home so tastefully built in the historic Butler Tarkington neighborhood for this price. You'll love living in this spacious one-story, three-bedroom, two-bath home. The exterior of the home is wrapped in brick and vinyl. You have two-car garages, one attached here to your left and a detached garage here to your right. How exciting! It gives you plenty of space for your vehicles as well as your lawn care items. Now we're just kind of taking a view of the backyard. This home is located on 0.29 acres. It does have partial fencing, and it offers this nice patio right off of the sunroom. All right, let's head back around front so we can go inside. I do want to point out this long paved driveway. If you are one who loves to entertain, there is plenty of space for parking for your loved ones or friends. This home offers a little over 1,900 square feet. The foundation is a crawl space. It has only been owned by one owner. The homeowners have done a really good job of taking care of this beautiful home. Inside, you see here, you have an open floor plan with your living room and dining room combined. All window treatments and blinds will remain with the home. There's new carpet in both rooms. Also, there's these sleek oak custom built-in bookshelves. Those bookshelves will remain with the home. Here's a view of the hallway, your front door, your foyer area. You have a coat closet here to your right. Also, you do have access to the kitchen and family room this way as well. We'll head back around and take a better view of the dining room. Also, the family room is right off of the dining room. You have French doors that open up to a 17 by 17 family room with vaulted ceilings, a skylight, a gas fireplace. The kitchen is right off of the family room, which is great for entertaining. This home is a true delight for so many reasons inside and out. So don't miss out on this opportunity. This home has newer HVAC systems, double hung windows, and a roof overhang. Inside the kitchen, you will see there's plenty of cabinets. Also, all appliances will remain with the home. You have your fridge, you have your dishwasher, and you do have an electric oven. Also, there's additional storage space in your two pantries. We'll open up this door here just so you can get an idea of the shelving system. Plenty of space, top to bottom. We'll get a view of the gas fireplace now in the family room. Also, this door here opens up to a cozy sunroom. The sunroom is 12 by 10. It does offer heating as well as a skylight. And if you need an outlet, it does have electricity. This is the perfect starter home for any family that is looking to own their own home Or if someone needs to downsize, they've lived in a 2-story home and they really are tired of dealing with the stairs, this home offers you 1-story living. This is your third bedroom, 13 by 10. You have your bay windows. It also has a sliding door and walk-in closet. There's new carpet in all 3 bedrooms. We'll take a look at the second full bath. Inside of the second bath, you will find a tub and shower combo, vinyl flooring. The homeowners have really done an amazing job of taking well care of this home. That is truly something to appreciate. Here's the laundry room, 8 by 8. Washer and dryer will remain. It has a sink, also a water softener, and your built-in ironing board. Bedroom number 2 is 12 by 10, new carpet. Also, it has a walk-in closet. In bedroom 2, you do have a view of the front yard. To the left here, you have your master bedroom, 16 by 14. It also offers new carpet. You have a ceiling fan in this bedroom. You have your 2 walk-in closets with sliding doors. And they also do have your custom shelving systems as well. This home is truly move-in ready. So if you are looking for your new home, and if you're looking for a home that has top location living, easy strolls to the university or to new fields or local eateries, this home is the right home for you. Look at that view of the backyard. Right off of the master bedroom, you have your master bath, which offers a separate tub and shower. You have your double sinks, your double vanities. There is handicap accessibility. The tub is a sauna tub, and there is your separate shower. Again, this home has so much to offer. It is truly a touch of charm.